Hi, this is Geralin Thomas, professional organizer, instructor for the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals, also known as NAPO, and career coach for professional organizers. In the previous episode titled Meet Branding, we talked briefly about visual, verbal, and experiential identities. Now, let me introduce you to my friend marketing. As far as I'm concerned, she's the queen bee in our little hive. She's kind of trendy and complicated. She's sometimes pushing stuff in people's faces, like when she plasters things on bulletin boards, billboards, or telephone poles. But other times, she's an irresistible little honeybee pulling people toward her with her charisma and charm. It all depends on if she's using inbound or outbound techniques. Marketing has a knack for forecasting change, and in her world, things change often. That's why some of her tactics are seasonal, like Get Organized Month, which is in January, or National Preparedness Month in September, while other topics are evergreen, meaning relevant year-round, like roundup posts, how-to articles, case studies, product reviews, and interviews. Not too long ago, marketing was really into old-school trifold brochures, but now, thank goodness, she's finally let some of that go in lieu of digital marketing. And unless you have a few hours to spare, do not ask her about plotting or leveraging data. She's terribly proud of her superpowers, which include the ability to pivot, personalize, and measure. Oh, and by the way, marketing and sales are sisters. They not only live together, they pretty much hang out together 24/7. Now, the only reason I'm telling you that is because marketing is really good at tugging at your heartstrings in order to score for her sister sales. They really are the dynamic duo. If you enjoyed meeting marketing, subscribe to this channel because next time I'll introduce you to my friend and marketing sister named Sales. Meanwhile, check out my 4-hour branding and marketing webinar at napo.net titled Creating Your Own Buzz, Marketing and Branding. It's webinar number 4-429. Or feel free to schedule a 60-minute one-on-one coaching call with me. Click the Products and Services tab on the menu at metropolitanorganizing.com.